Today we will learn how to change the spool kit in the hand lever valve. Before we start, let's quickly go over the possible causes of leakage. Spool seal damage, wear out, spool damage broken, dent on spool, dust debris inside the valve body and on the spool. First, we'll test the valve for any leaks. Supply air pressure to the input port and block the output port of the valve. Now, apply some thick soap to the exhaust port. If bubbles appear, it means there's a leakage from the spool seal. And next, we'll show you how to replace the spool kit in this valve. Let's start by removing the hand lever side. Just unscrew it with a screwdriver. Now, we'll remove the rear side in the same way. Before inserting the new spool, clean the bore thoroughly. Use a pneumatic air gun or a cotton cloth to do this. Once it's clean, apply some grease inside the bore of the valve. Now take the new spool assembly, apply grease to it as well, and carefully insert it into the bore. Let's start reassembling. First, we'll put the front side back in place. Make sure to tighten the screws properly using a spring washer for extra security. Now, let's reassemble the rear side the same way. Once everything is assembled, we'll check the valve again for any leakage. And there you go, the valve is now ready for use. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-33333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.